Okay, welcome to weeks 9 and 10. We have 5 of the open chords already in our repertoire, and we're going to look at the last 2 this video. Behind me, here's the major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then it goes back to C as an octave, okay? So we know C, D, E, G, and A, which leaves F and B7, okay? And I'm going to show you B7 first, because to make a B you'll have to bar, and that's Guitar Madness 2, the second class. So the B7, which you might use if you're playing in the key of E, is a little bit more difficult just because you have to use all your fingers and they all kind of get squished together. But I'm going to put these 3 fingers, fingers 2, 3, and 4, middle, ring, and then pinky, on the 2nd fret, and I'm skipping a string in between, so 1, 3, and 5. And then this finger, my first finger, goes on the 1st fret, 4th string, and my bass was the A string, but now I'm pushing down there, so it becomes a B, and here's a B7. Okay, I play all of them. I ignore the top one, so I could actually hang my thumb over a little bit to mute this one. Alright, so that's a B7. You can also play a B like this, but I'm pressing all these with this one finger and it's really strong. So, at first, nothing wrong with this B7. Okay? There's even a little trick, is if it's taken forever to get that pinky down, just leave it off and don't hit the, leave this open, don't strum it. So you play the inside strings. And sometimes it's a little easier to grab this little backwards triangle shape for the B7. Okay? F's a little bit more difficult. What's difficult about F is you have to bar these 2 strings, 1 and 2, with 1 finger. Okay? And then I'm just going to build a wing, kind of like a wedge or a wing there. So let me show you it first. So you got 1, 2, and then my middle finger plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ring finger plays 4th string, 3rd fret, and my bass is the same as a D. It's down here. Okay, so there's an F. Okay. Now some people, when they're learning this, now it takes, you can even see like probably my finger skin there being stretched as I squeeze to do the F. Another key is I'm pinching right behind my 1st finger. Some people, when they learn this, they learn a full bar like this. So you take an E shape that you have here and you slide it out here, and then you bar here and you bar here right across, and then you play all of them as a big F this way. Now watch what happens. If I take my 1st finger, instead of barring all 6, and I just move it down to the first 2 here, I have that same one that we were doing earlier. Okay? Right there. There's a F, or there's an F. There's another way to play an F. You have to experiment to see which way feels the easiest for you. But F is the most difficult of the last 7 open chords. What we'll learn in the future is how to make some of these other chords in bar shapes as well. Okay? Have fun. Go slowly. If your fingers hurt, stop. And remember always, you make it and you throw it away, put it again, so you start grabbing the neck in the shapes that you're going to need. Okay? B7, F. I just resolved to a C there. Alright, so have fun.